So this video I'm going to go over the setup and use of the Wowstick. So we have here all of the different parts and pieces that we've already unboxed in the previous video. So some things that we can go ahead and do is this case right here comes in extremely handy. You open it up. It is magnetic, so it's magnetic shut. So you can place the bits that you are not using at this time. So I'm not going to be using anything from the X3 or the X2 at this point in time. So I can go ahead and place that in my case and set it down in there so they're out of sight, out of mind. So these picks are great for me to be able to open devices and such, as well as these suction cups. These screws are just common screws if you need replacement screws for them. So those are always very handy to have, and that's why it came with it. As for charging this device, so it comes with a charging cord rather. It is USB to micro USB, and you plug the stick in itself right here at the base. So it will plug it in like so, and plug this into a USB adapter and charge your device. Overall, the charge lasts for a good while on these devices, but if you ever needed to charge it, that is how. And then the magnetizer and demagnetizer I will show you in a moment. So like I said in the unboxing video, this comes in handy for keeping your wrists from tiring out from using manual drivers all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out what I need from here, and that is going to be the Phillips, and we're going to do the Phillips 000 that's on here. So it's going to be on the very top ring. So I simply pull this out like so, and I find it. It's going to be listed on this bit. And if you see on there, it says PH and it has 3 zeros, and that is how you can tell the size of the bit that you are getting. So when you take that bit, you simply plug it into the end of the driver here. And I'm going to go ahead and set it back in the stand and put this up. Alrighty, so if you need to magnetize or demagnetize it, that is where this little brick can come in handy. The lower end is the magnetize and the upper end is demagnetize. So we're going to go ahead and magnetize our bit. Just place it straight on the magnet and remove. Okay, and I actually have a device here to show you this in action. So this right here, this is a Samsung device. This is where I typically use this Wowstick, is in Android devices. So I'm going to take it, simply set it onto my screw, and I'm going to press upwards. So you have this switch here in the front. You can press down to screw the screw in, and you can press up to remove the screw. Once the screw is removed, that's where your screw mat comes in very handy, and you can place your screw on that screw mat to keep it safe and secure and from moving all over from the table. So when I want to place it back in, I simply place it into my hole and I press the opposite direction. So I'm going to press downward on my driver's button until it's nice and tight. So that's pretty much the whole thing. That's how you're going to use it. That's how you're going to set it up. This Wowstick, like I said, it comes in very handy to keep your hands from getting too fatigued by doing this with a manual driver. But that is how you would set it up and use it.